today's cooking episode, we shall be using a few simple ingredients: Nightingale Farms cherry tomatoes, premium crab meat, linguine, basil, cloves of garlic, and onion, crushed chilies. We are going to start by sauteing the onions. You can use shallots. We then add thinly sliced garlic, add the basil, a little bit of the chili flakes, at which point you shall add the cherry tomatoes when the onions are translucent. We have boiled 2 langestines, which we're going to use as garnish at the end. Now here's how it's looking. Now some of you may not like the fact that it has a head with eyes. Do not feel intimidated. It is going to taste absolutely delicious. We've gone ahead and boiled the linguine, and we've sauteed and seasoned the ingredients, and we're going to display how it's looking now. King prawn and crab linguine with langoustines. Fresh, vibrant ingredients, extremely easy to make. This is my type of recipe. However, the millennials are en route. They're coming to join me for lunch. Once they have arrived, we're going to warm it through, adding tomato and basil sauce. So we've gone ahead and added a little bit of a black olive, and we are now going to sprinkle a bit of oregano as garnish. We're going to grate some parmesan just before serving, and we're going to serve with a side salad. Enjoy. Bon appetit. See you soon.